Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel, where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we have the market cap sitting at 1.93 trillion. That's up a little bit over 0.5% from the last day. We have Bitcoin sitting at 43,000, Ethereum sitting at 2,900, Xrp sitting at 77 cents, Cardano sitting at 94 cents. We have Chronos sitting at 43 cents, Algorand 83 cents, Hedera still sitting at 22 cents. We have a lot of coins that are pretty much in the green today. Well, we might be down a little bit from yesterday, but overall during the week, we're up. So let's take a look at the crypto bubbles. So we see it. We have all these coins in the green. This is for the week, the weekly chart. We have Waves right here sitting at $18. It's up 99% from 7 days ago. Luna, we have just last week it was sitting at about $50. It's at $94 right now. So that's a huge pump right there. We have Rune sitting at $5 each. So it was sitting at $3 last week. It's at $5 right now. And all these other tokens, they've been having small pumps. So overall, it's been a good week. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts. Like I said, we have Bitcoin sitting at 43,000. We hit that support line, but then we came back down. That support line of 45,000 that I was calling yesterday. So it's all pretty much good news because it's slowly pumping up. As you see right here, we're going in an upwards motion instead of downwards. And I know we have some red candles, but overall we're going upwards. Slowly but surely we'll be up there. So again, on our buy technicals, is telling us it's a good time to buy. I believe so. I believe that we have this bull run coming pretty soon. Not a financial advisor. Now let's take a look at our XRP charts. So we have XRP sitting at 77 cents. Our technical saying it's a good time to buy. I would suggest keep on buying XRP. And as I do believe we will have a settlement within the next coming days. As we've seen on that form that they put out, it says that we could have a settlement 14 days after the fact discovery date. So that was 2 days ago. Well, actually yesterday. So it could be around 14 days from now. So again, XRP as well. Kind of sitting, it looks like we're sitting going sideways, but we are having that little upward moment, even though you can't really tell. But we just passed that little support line of 79 cents. We hit that 80 cent mark, and I believe that we should be on our way up, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So let's take a look at these news. It says lawmakers have removed the Bitcoin ban from the latest version of EU's crypto legislation. So this is brand new from today, March 1st. It says legislative language that appeared poised to bar proof of work tokens from the EU has gone from a bill that is set for votes in the coming weeks. In news that BTC Echo broke, the European MP Stefan Berger confirmed on March 1 the latest version of the EU's markets in crypto assets, or MiCA directive has been stripped of a passage that many fear would lead to a ban of cryptos that use proof of work, namely Bitcoin. So it says Berger last week delayed votes that he had scheduled for February 28th in response to outcry over the offending language today, and announcing that the paragraph in question had been removed. He also said that the committee still needed to vote on the provision. So that could be very bullish news for the markets. We should have a nice little pump depending on what happens with this bill. So we'll just have to wait and see. We do have the State of the Union tonight. We'll have to see what President Biden says with our crypto markets and crypto regulations. Hopefully he mentions it, and we'll just have to wait and see. I know he will be talking about Russia and Ukraine, but like I said, hopefully he mentions crypto in there as well. So here it says Bitcoin demand booms in Ukraine and Russia. The Russian invasion of Ukraine has boosted demand for crypto in both countries, helping to drive up the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading at a premium to the Ukraine hryvnia on a number of exchanges, both globally and locally. A sign of strong demand. On Binance, the world's largest exchange, Bitcoin traded for the equivalent of 47,000 in hryvnia terms. On Kuna, Ukraine's largest stock exchange, it was at 46,955 and it had traded as high as 51,000. In US markets, Bitcoin was recently trading at 43,000, up about 15% since Monday morning, according to data from CoinDesk. So on Binance, there was an increase in trading volume of Bitcoins in exchange for rubles just before the start of the Russian invasion between February 20th and the 28th. Around 1,700, almost 1,800 Bitcoins traded hands at the ruble Bitcoin pair, compared to just 522 in the previous 9 days, according to Binance. Western sanctions effectively cut Russia off the global financial network, and Ukraine imposed strict capital controls. So it says crypto is popular in Ukraine and Russia. Ukraine ranked 4th on the Global Adoption Index created by analytics firm Chainalysis. A report by the Russian government estimates that there were over 12 million crypto wallets held by Russian citizens with around 2 trillion rubles, which equals to about $20 billion. That's a lot of money that was poured into the market just from Russia and Ukraine. Hopefully we have that Bitcoin boom and just pass that 45,000 mark. So we see here it says 3 reasons why Bitcoin price rallied towards 45,000 entering March. Again, if we go back to the Bitcoin charts here, we did touch that 45,000 mark, but as soon as we touched it, we came back down. It's not totally bad news. Again, just a small consolidation, and then we should be on our way up. Again, we have that upwards motion, so we'll just see what happens. So it says Bitcoin extended its gains, hitting nearly 45,000 on March 1st as interest rate speculators to reduce their bets on aggressive rate hikes in 2022, and the number of whale addresses spiked, and speculations that BTC is proving itself as a political safe haven. So like I said, small steps. Traders erased bets on a half-point Fed rate hike this month. For instance, swaps tied to the Federal Reserve's mid-March meeting anticipated 24.5 basis point tightening as of March 1st that indicated a 0.5% bips rate increase, which had a 100% approval from interest rate traders last month. So it says here, Russia, including a ban from accessing the global banking system SWIFT, raised concerns over the impact on global growth and inflation. So it says, meanwhile, traders also reduced their expectations of the number of rate hikes in 2022 to 5 from 7 just days ago, according to Bloomberg's reporter who shared the following chart. So it says the repricing of the Fed outlook appeared as investors' demand for safe havens, including U.S. Treasuries and gold, boomed in the past few days. Bitcoin saw a significant upward move today as it appears to have slightly regained its safe haven status while the Russia-Ukraine conflict continues to intensify. Walid Kurmani, an analyst at XTB Marketing, told Bloomberg. So data provided by crypto research firm Coinmetrics also showed a significant spike in the number of addresses holding at least 1,000 Bitcoin, typically considered whales by the industry. Their number jumped from 2,100 to about 2,200, a little bit over 22.5. So again, this could be good depending on the rate hikes, but hopefully we'll see more of this uptrend in March. But that is all that we have for the daily markets update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks, and until next time.